Hey y'all, so it's coming along. Look at how beautiful. I love this pot, by the way. I just bought it not too long ago, and I love it. I love it. It's just cooks everything so good. And see how it's just very meaty? I like to add the bell pepper, the calabacitas, the squash, like all the colors. I chop it up really, really good. So I already chopped up the onion and it's already in there. So this is next. And when this goes in here, oh man, it's fire. I need a little holder on my phone so I could be doing this, and yeah. So I get requests every time I do my lasagna. My husband requested like 3 weeks ago. But right now is the perfect weather for lasagna. So I make like 4 trays and I give them away. So I keep some for home, and my JJ loves my lasagna too, but he's so far. So my Bigum's just too, but he's way farther. But I share it. So here we go, y'all. So this is pretty much it. Stays simmering, and man, it looks amazing. Looks amazing. You gotta turn your stuff with love. Yes. I don't like to put videos on my stuff or music because then they wanna not make it go through, because I don't know how to do that where it says like I'm not whatever that thing is. But yeah, let me pause this. I love to listen to worship music and every music. I love to listen to every music. I love my Jenny Rivera, Javier Solis, my cumbias, my hip hop, my old school, my worship, and yeah, I love music. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil right here so they don't get sticky, like they don't get, you know, all sticky and stuff like that. Look how beautiful that looks, y'all. 7 parts.
You can see that there's some discoloration on the bottom of the pan. This is what this paper towel picks up. These black specks. Okay, here's a clean side. That's what comes off. This was a clean pan.
HexClad perfect chicken with a HexClad chicken fry. HexClad chicken. It doesn't do the cooking for you, but it's perfect.
Was injured, but played where he forced the ball carrier, the ball coming out of bounds, 2 yards short of the first, and the Bills take over on downs, Tony. Look at